Hello and good day, Mike Adcock with an update on Tropical Depression Caloy located over the central Visayas. This brief is based on the Zero Zulu Japan Meteorological Agency warning and summary from the 23rd of March. Take a look at the satellite imagery. We do see a very disorganized system, convection there off to the north, affecting Samar, Leyte, Bohol, Cebu, Negros, as well as Benai. And this convection is going to continue moving off to the west over the next day or two. At 8 a.m. local time, the center of circulation was analyzed by JMA to be about 75 kilometers south of Tagbilaran City, or about 85 kilometers to the east-southeast of Dumaguete. Okay. It continues to move off to the west-southwest rather slowly in our pressure at 1,008 hectopascal. Dvorak, not much really to talk about here. You see just some sporadic convection and not really all that deep. Nesdis, they issued their final analysis at 21Z. A very weak system. JTWC, they've suspended analyses as the center of circulation was analyzed over land or near land. So really not much to see here. The advanced Dvorak technique, 1.7 final T, current intensity of 2.2. And this has been weakening substantially over the past 12 hours. Bottom line here, a weak tropical depression. And that's really what we've been talking about over the past couple of days. This really wasn't a threat of being a very strong windy system. This is more of a heavy rainfall situation, flooding and mudslides. So some that we are going to have to definitely keep an eye on. But this isn't going to be a robust tropical cyclone by any means. Take a look at the regional satellite loop. You do see the remnant circulation there of our depression moving across the Visayas. It is being capped off by a strong area of high pressure between China and Japan that is trailing behind that stationary boundary off to the northeast of the Philippines. So again, this large area of high pressure is going to act as a cap and allow this depression to continue to move off toward the west, toward the Sulu Sea and South China Sea, where it will continue to weaken. Taking a look at JMA surface analysis, again, that area of high pressure, very strong, 1,030 hectopascal. So again, really not looking at any northward movement and really more just south of due west movement with our depression. Here's Pagasa's radar imagery out of Cebu City. You do see that strong convection, right now getting heavy rain showers from Tacloban through Ormoc over toward Cadiz City. And then even in Negros Oriental and Occidental, north of Dumaguete there between like Bais, San Carlos. This area of convection, again, continuing to move off to the west, Iloilo. You're going to continue to see these showers moving toward your way over the next few days. For JTWC's track, they issued their final one at 21 Zulu. This system is rather weak, so because it's not anticipated to strengthen, only weaken from here on out, JTWC issued their final on it. Current winds 35 kilometers per hour, gusting up to 55. And again, they're also mimicking this west-southwesterly movement just to the south of Bohol, Cebu, and Negros Oriental. Looking for, the main threat of showers and thunderstorms across the Visayas, but northern and western Mindanao, you'll also have to continue to monitor the progress of this system. And I was talking about the heavy precip. This is the 5-day precipitation accumulation forecast from GFS. You see, a majority of the country will be dealing with these heavy rain showers over the next few days, especially there on the windward side of the islands there in Luzon, as well as in the Visayas. Areas there in orange are going to see precipitation amounts of in excess of 100 millimeters. In red, you'll see at least 200 millimeters of rainfall. And then taking a look over at the surface observations in and around the area, really just looking at light rain, not seeing the winds, and that's something that we've been talking about. Not an issue here of winds, but it's this precipitation. and that is affecting a majority of the Visayas right now. Taking a quick look at Tagbilaran City right now, 24.9 degrees Celsius with light rain there. Some winds out of the northwest at 19 kilometers. But notice the very high pressure at 1,009.9 hectopascal. Pretty high for a tropical cyclone. Over in Dumaguete City, a little warmer at 25.5. Also dealing with the light rain. That's restricting your visibility there at about 8 kilometers. Winds a little stronger at 26 kilometers per hour. Again, we're going to continue to monitor the progress of this system over at westernpacificweather.com. You can also follow along on Twitter and Facebook and join in on the conversation at storm2k.org. Follow me on the various social media networks as well. Thank you all for tuning in. Be safe out there. Have a great day and take care.